This is my beautiful salmon fillet in chili powder. Let's cook it, guys. First of all, wash the salmon fillet with water. Wash it very well, just like this. Dry it. Season it with a good amount of salt, just like this. You sprinkle it with crushed black pepper, just like this. Spread it to the salmon fillet to achieve a good crisp of tasty salmon fillet. Flip it. Season the other side of the salmon fillet with same equal amount of salt and pepper from the other side, just like this. Aywa. That's it. Put a teaspoon of chili powder, just like this. Spread it gently to cover the fillet surface. Flip it. Chili powder on the other side. Spread it gently as well, just like this. Add additional amount of salt and pepper on both sides of that, so to achieve desired taste that you like for this salmon fillet. And rest it about for 15 to 30 minutes to achieve a tasty marinade of salt and pepper and chili powder, just like this, guys. Aywa, kya bolega? Good to go. Heat the pan, guys. Medium heat. Put some cooking oil. Let it hot. Throw your salmon fillet in the hot pan with cooking oil. Aywa, just like this. Put some hot oil on the top of the salmon fillet, just like this, just to cook quickly the top side. Put some oil additional as required. Put this flavor garlic to the salmon fillet. Careful, it's hot. Alright. Flip it and you can see it's already cooked, but be sure to be gentle with this salmon fillet, guys. It's it's easy to crack, just like this, you see, but no issue. The importance is the flavor, not the looks, right? Aywa. Now we are almost there. Looks so tasty. Now you gotta roll, you gotta dig this salmon fillet in chili powder. Aywa.
Kain na.
Okay, let's dig it. take some a part of it and put some, this garlic. Aywa. Get some more. Guys, I think you need to try this, guys. It's easy to prepare. Put some veggies, your favorite veggies. I put some cucumber and tomato. And this is good also, partnered with rice, which I will do it later after this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this video, guys. See you on the next video.